Hi muna. Hi Lauren. We're live on Facebook. See you men ah. See you men ah. Takit ulit tayo.
I'll be here.
Oh, sorry. Live. Sabay. Meron ba tayong 3 days? Live tayo, live. Facebook live. Hasta la vista.
Okay na. Kailangan pa tayo ng stage.
Okay po. Mahaba eh.
Pumunta si Jarnel. Jarnel, kumahali ko si Jarnel.
Apa Bear? Hello. Hi, magay ka. Hello. Hello po. Hello. Ate Ivy. Hello. Live tayo, live. Hi visitors. Hello. Heroes. Good evening, Ate Eunice. Live na naman tayo. Tito Ambet. Live tayo, live. Tita Mai. Hello. Oh, ano candy? M&M's. Sa M&M's ba yan?
Make the car go to him. Go to the car. Peter, stay. Go to the side. Oh. Okay, this is actually a good game. Please.
Kain na tayo, Kuya Norm. Ito parang masarap to, Kuya.
Pansit.
Pansit. Ito walang kamat. Nagbablog po ako, tita. Ganun na. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Tapos, ay, welcome to my vlog. I'm sad. Aren't we all? Aren't we all sad? Ay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kahapon ba? Ngayon. Oh, happy birthday. Oo nga eh. Celebration na. At least you've tried. You tried. You did your best.
I didn't get past stretching. I only checked in and then it left.
You know, the first time I danced, I almost passed out. Diretso na ng Loyola eh. Oo. Diretso na dun. Sabi ko kasi kung dito, baka umalis na kami. Wala na kayo maabutan. So, mas maganda dun na lang. Diretso na dun sa Loyola. Sa Tita Mini spinach. Meron pa. Chicken Joy, cake. Sponsored lahat yan, guys. Bananas. Goldilocks yata ito, no? Goldilocks. Welcome to my vlog. Emma and Lola, I miss you so much. So much like I can miss the whole thing, whole life. Rest in paradise. See you soon in a place with no tears. And I miss you. And we will cry later once you're moving down to the grave. And we will miss you and we will cry so hard. We love you, Lola, always. Thank you so much for all your love you've given us. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ayun yun.
Chinese eh.
Uncle.
We're the comedic uncle.
Bahala dyan.
Did it. Ten, tere. Ten, tere. Ten, ten, tere. Parang graduation lang. Game 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. One, two.
Yung phone ko, paano?
Yung?
Phone ko. May ano ba yan?
Meron. Kung sino lang ano.
Sino yung
Direct families. Karo. See you.
You there.
We're here in Loyola. Gonna miss you, love.
Gonna miss you, Lola, forever and ever. Till the day I die. Everyone does in here. We will miss you so much. All the care you've given us.
Chikahan and your kwento.
I'll miss your kare-kare. I'll miss your butter chicken.
And your pancit.
And your pancit.
And your ampalaya with egg.
And your cute hot fluffy egg. Fluffy scrambled eggs. Am I right, sis? We will try a river.
Wawa naman itong mga tabaka natin. Kaya, puro kita after.
I captured that, Ali. Your sneeze. Then I'm gonna post it in my vlog. So good luck. Hello. Hi. We're gonna miss our grandma so much.
Thank you for giving her strong hands to take care of us and our children, to cook for us, to sew our clothes. As we lay her to rest, we give her back to you. She may be gone, but her memories will live forever. For us here, help us to remember that our days too are numbered. Help us to make the most of every opportunity to glorify in our lives and to devote our lives only to the things that matter most. Only to the things that matter most in eternity. And may the peace of God flow in our hearts and minds, and that we lift you up today. Thank you so much. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
God bless us all.
First of all, we'd like to thank God for giving us a wonder woman in Mami Siling. Ibang klase si Mami. A strong-willed person. Ibang klase ng determination niya talaga. She made a point na palakihin kami na maging successful. Reach a milestone. Bihira lang ang ganyan na 100 years old. Diba? So, palakpakan natin yung Mami. Ibang klase. So this time, I just want to share to you some anecdotes about Mami. Si Mami kasi, isa sa mga pinagmanahan ko kay Mami for yung being stingy. Mahunat yan. Pareho kami ni Mami. Do you agree? Do you agree, Mami? Pareho kami. Pero siguro the better word for that is medyo siya frugal. Frugal and wise. So stingy, pareho naman kami. Kwentuhan kami ng kwentuhan. Biglang may nakita akong isang dog food in bacon form, nasa sachet siya. Ganyan, tinitignan ko maigi. Di ko napansin, may nakita akong price tag. Ang mahal. Kasi yung pala yung treats para sa mga dogs namin. Mga laboratory. Ano siya? Itsura niya, bacon na bacon talaga. So sabi ko, ano to? Ba't ang mahal? Sabi ko gano'n. Pambirang mga bata to, bumibili ng mga pagkain ng aso, mahal-mahal. Biglang sabi ni Mami, di naman masarap eh. Hindi raw masarap. Ano ba yan? Sa amin, sa mga kapitbahay namin, daming namamatayan, ano? Biglang isa-isa, may mga namamatay. Siyempre, as neighbors, you have to give abuloy, di ba? Abuloy. Eh di marami na namamatay. Sabi ko, Mami, magbibigay ba tayo ng abuloy? Ang bira naman, sabi niya sa akin. Lagi naman silang namamatayan. Magbibigay na naman tayo ng abuloy, sabi niya sa akin.
O sinong kapitbahay dyan?
So, para bang ibig sabihin lugi na tayo. Bigitan na. Ano gusto nyo tayo ang binibigyan ng abuloy? So,
Wala magbibigay.
tapos na. So, okay na si Mami, napapangiti na. Kung kulang yung abuloy nyo, dagdagan nyo pa. Para matuwa si Mami. So, may you have a blessed travel papunta kay Lord. Alam naman namin na hopefully doon ang destination natin. Mom is going upstairs at 100 years old. Okay, bye-bye, Mom. Mommy, bye-bye. So, next in line.
Maraming atraso to.
Hindi ka naman tinawag siya.
Pasa mo.
Okay, nagkaintindihan tayo. Kala ko ako na yung bunso eh. Tapos nabuntis mo sa mami. Ito lumabas.
Kasi babae.
Babae.
Kaya ginagawa kong babae.
Okay. Kaya ginagawa nga ako ni mami ng babae. Although kahit na yung album ko, yung mga pictures ko, ano ko yung album na binili ng mami or para ilagay yung mga pictures ko. Pink color. Totoo yan. Color pink. Hindi ko kasi mami kasi is although nasa different, nasa ibang bansa. Basta nag-ifente sila Kuya Wendell. Totoo yung sinasabi ni Tito Wendell na kung nasa makunod niya. Yan, minsan nga talagang, kasi nag-Saudi ako for 5 years. Pag nagbabakasyon ako, sumasabay ako kay mami na para mamalengke. Grabe, pag si mami namamalengke, talagang iikutin niya yan. Isa lang ang bibili niya, iikutin niya, hahanapin niya yung mura. Talagang pipilitin niya, pinakamababang presyo. Yan talaga. May tawad pa. Yan. Pag sabi ko, mami, ito mama, nagpapakahirap itong mga ito. Pero bakit di mo bigay kung ano yung presyo niya? Bigay niya na nakakaawa naman. Yun lang. Kasi nga, hindi masyadong nakasama si mami. Kapag sa Amerika, nakasama ko siya, nakasama yung mga kapatid niya. Lalo-lalo na si Apong Kostreng, yan ang barkada ni mami, di ba? Yun sa Apong Kostreng, buhay pa.
Ganito ang tsura ni Mang Kostreng.
Pareho.
Yun lang. Kaya, nadali ang ni mami, ang burial niya, kasi nga, yung wake niya, nadali, kasi nga, hindi tayo pa nalabang. Ito nga itong dalawa kong anak, Soleil and Allison. Kahapon nang dumating yan. At least sa kahapon. Ayun lang masasabi ko, mahal ko si mami. Although talagang nasa eskwela ako magbigay ng masahin. Siguro pang sandwich ko lang eh. Akumuluhan ko pa eh, yung bangko. Pambili ka ng sandwich. Pupunta ako sa cafeteria, kulang pera ko. Kaya, talagang eksakto lang bibigay. Tsaka sa mga ulam sa bahay, kulang. Yung ulam na yan, huwag kayo magsasobra, tama-tama lang sa atin yan. Yan, ganun si Mami. So, yun lang, Mami. Rest in peace. Alam ko, mas maligaya sa taas. Talagang ginawa mo lahat para sa amin. I love you so much. Talagang lalo na ako malayo sa kanya. Magaling ko siya. Masakit. O sige, Mami. Bye-bye. This is your last trip. Say hello na lang kay Daddy. I think that'll be it for me.
I'm the eldest child of Edwin, yung panganay ni Lola. So, I guess, ang fondest memory ko sa kanya, sabi na wala ka ba? Ano ba yun?
Yung talo ka.
Hindi, kasi di ba kayo kay Lola? I spent a good part of my childhood sa Project 3. So, technically, parang siya na rin mami ko, wife. I refer to her as Mami Silly. So, siguro yung one of the hardest thing na nangyari nung we had to move to the States. Siyempre, I had to be away from everybody, lalo na kay Lola. Pero, nung time na they visited or they stayed sa US for a bit, I was very happy kasi nga, makikita ko na siya. So, I spent, I would pick her up once in a while. I'll take her to, she likes to go shopping. Like they said, she's very frugal, so we go to the Dollar Tree. Usually. And,
Dollar store.
$1.25. Pero, ano lang,
Ganun siya talaga eh.
It was short-lived. I mean, like you said, they didn't stay there that long. They had to go back. Kasi hindi nila gusto masyado sa States. Siguro, they want to be in the Philippines. They like the weather. Most are the families here. So, I've always thinking Lola. I mean, pinapalago ako sa kanya. So, and it's hard to see her get old na hindi siya kasama. Pero like we're saying, she lived a good life. She lived 100 years. So we're lucky to have her for that long. And it's time for her to, magpahinga na rin siya. And I'll always miss her. Royce, ba't kanyang sabi? Talagang tatawaran niya ng sagad-sagad eh.
Oh, yeah.
Oo, talaga. Maski ano yun, sagad-sagad. Minsan, si Roland naman, may binibenta siya mga junk sa bahay para mabawasan yung Pero
Hi Lola. Rest in paradise. Actually gumawa ako ng konting speech lang. Konti lang. Mga 3 sentences. Siguro mga things na nare-remember ko tsaka na-miss ko kay Lola. So number 1, so every time pag may Pasko, dahil lagi ko nire-request sa kanya, kare-kare. So lagi niyang pine-prepare yun during Christmas. And parang verbatimly, ang lagi niya sinasabi every time na nandun na kami sa dining table, sa project, sabi niya, "O Chino, ito na yung kare-karing ni-request mo." So laging ganun yun, most of the Christmas o yung latter days na yung dulo. So yun yung mga na-miss ko kay Lola. Parang nag-grant niya yung wish mo kasi yun yung isa sa mga favorite ko, kare-kare. So, namimiss ko rin sa kanya siguro yung every time pupunta kami doon, naka-ready na yung pagkain, sabihin niya, "O kain na, ganyan. Kaya hindi pa siya kumakain, make sure na lahat ng bisita na pumupunta doon, yun munang dapat kumain. So parang doon pa lang masaya na siya. So ayun. Ano pa ba? Ayun, isa ko pa naalala, every time pupunta kami Pampanga, bago umuwi, ini-make sure niya na hindi kami uuwi na hindi kami pupunta sa Susie's Palabok. Yun.
Halo-halo.
Oo. Sino, gusto mong pumunta ng Susie's, di ba? Gusto mo yun? Yun ang sabi niya. Sabi ko, sige Lola, go lang. Siyempre, libre mo eh. Libre mo. Anyway, pero masarap kasi talaga. Tsaka, nag-enjoy kami lalo pag kumakain siya ng halo-halo. Yan, kasi which is yun yung isa sa mga favorite niya. So, pag nakikita ko siya kumakain, nag-enjoy na rin kami lahat. So, yan. Yun lang naman, yun yung top 3. At saka isa pa, siguro, kung di dahil sa'yo Lola, hindi kayo makakatapos ng pag-aaral. Salamat Lola pag sa every time kulang yung tuition fee namin noon, grade school to high school, actually even college. Nabubunuan mo yon, and malaking pasalamat namin, and ngayon lang namin na-realize na iba yung ano mo, iba yung love na binigay mo sa amin lahat. And we thank you for that kasi napaka-ano mo po, napaka-caring mo sa amin po lahat. So ayun, thank you Lola sa lahat po ng tulong nyo, even though I'm not being selfish na sana tumagal pa, pero kasi you live long enough naman para to express your love for us. So yung 100 years na tinagal mo is more than enough for us para ma-feel namin how much you care for us. So yun lang Lola, rest in paradise Lola. We will miss you forever and ever. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Son of Norman and one of Lola's boss. So one of our best memories of Lola is every Sunday we usually spend time with her, going to Project 3, preparing food for us, and then sharing mga chikas with her. So ayun. And then syempre may mga times na when we go to malls on a Sunday, gusto niya talaga na iniikot siya, pinapasyal siya. Tapos usual na kainan namin was peri-peri, yun yung gusto niya. Tapos ayun, yung talagang yung pinakita talaga niyang love sa amin is when nung nag-aaral kami na walang-wala kami, but she was there to help us to finish all of our studies. Ito yung mga notable catchphrases niya. Here are some of her notable catchphrases. When she feels like na she's not pleased with something, she will say, "Apangit?" Or kunyari, or for example, if someone forgets something, she will say, "Talakalimot!" Or sometimes when she sees some droplets of water around the sink or on the table, she will say, "Ayoko nang may pita-pita!" Lola kasi, Ian, one of the traits that we got from Lola was being in order in terms of sa bahay, in our home. Kasi ever since I was a kid, we value yung cleanliness around your area. And then another thing is for sure na whenever we fry scrambled eggs, she will usually say that don't ever crack eggs upwards. Make sure that it's near the pan. Just like in life, always stay grounded. Never ever think highly of yourself, because when you fall, it's gonna be extremely painful. Yun lang for me. So, Lola, I know our Sundays are really spent with you, or weekly we usually spend time with you, but 100 years have been enough for us to spend time with you. You've been a queen, you've been a hero to us. You're the undisputed champion of the world. And for sure, once you go to eternity, we will finally say, God will finally say, well done, good and faithful servant. Thank you.
So ako pala si Liz, anak ni Wendell, yung nagkwento kanina ng anecdotes. Second na apo, na eldest. So, ayoko na mag-anecdote. So, I guess, kwento ko na lang kung ano yung pagkakilala ko kay Lola. Marami siyang traits na kwento naman ni Lance, yung mga words na ginagamit niya, ganyan. So, basically, she's a very strong person, hindi lang physically, pati mentally. Nakita naman natin even sa mga past days, yung mamamatay na siya, napaka, pa rin niya, alert and parang hindi nga siya mamamatay. Ganun yung feeling ko. Napaka-caring niya. Actually, hindi siya yung typical na lola na would be parang very sweet, alam mo yun, yung nasa drawings na lola, hindi siya ganun. But through actions niya pinapakita yung love niya. So yung love niya is through feeding us. So lagi niya sinasabi na kumain na ba kayo, ganyan. Even dun sa hospital, hindi siya kumakain pero kami yung iniisip niya kung kumain na kami. So ganun siyang, yun yung love language niya actually. So ayun, very strong, yung mind niya, marami siyang traits na kakaiba, like, very, yung neat freak nga, ganyan. So, namana namin yun actually. So, very detail-oriented, parang ganun. So, basically, kung nasa office ka, i-hire mo siya, kasi ganun yung traits na meron siya. Hindi siya typical na lola. But, kahit ganun, parang kahit very strong siya, ganyan. Nag-live siya ng 100 years. Sabihin natin mahaba, pero para sa akin parang, ang ilila pala ng life, parang yun lang pala yun. So parang medyo sayang. May regrets din, of course, na sana nag-spend pa kami ng time with her. Lapit lang naman ng bahay, ba't di kami mag-visit, ganyan. So, sana nakapag-mahjong pa kami. So, totoo, na-enjoy ko yung pag-mahjong with her. Mas happy siya kasi doon. So, ayun, sana lesson lang din to for all of us na we could parang spend more time with each other kasi short lang naman ang life. So, we can get to know each other. So, yun lang. Thank you, Lola.
Yeah.
So, short message ulit kay Lola. So, thankful talaga ako sa life ni Lola. Kasi baka minsan, sometimes I think I take it for granted, pero yung care niya for everyone is very evident, as mentioned by Eunice din. Di ba yung parang true actions niya, yung magluluto, and even when we last visited her sa hospital, iniisip pa rin niya, dinutusan niya si Tita Roland, bigyan mo silang pagkain. Yun pa rin yung iniisip niya, despite her condition, di ba? She's the one who's not feeling well, and yet, kaming mga apo niya, kami pa rin yung iniisip niya. So, thank you, Lola, for loving us, and giving us this life. Without you, will not be here. And medyo selfish din, mentioned ni Chino, kasi sa totoo, I wanted her to live longer for her to know Noah, my baby. Kaya lang yun. At least there's 1 year that he got to know her. And lagi siyang looking forward actually. Minsan, si Eunice would always mention na hinahanap niya si Noah, gusto niyang makita, kinukumusta niya. And yun yung siguro medyo regret ko na hindi siya masyadong nakapag-bond. But I know Noah is in her heart and Noah also knows her. So yun. Thank you everyone for coming, and I know everyone loves Lola and everyone has story to tell about Lola because she's really a character. So thank you everyone, and Lola, see you again. Third daughter ni Daddy, Wendell. Maraming memories kasi doon naman kami lumaki sa Aguho, pero ang pinaka-recent na lang ay yung bonding namin sa plants or sa garden kasi she loves gardening. So every time I would visit sa Aguho before I go home sa Cavite, may mga times na kumukuha ako ng plants or humihingi ako ng plants kay Lola. Pag gano'n, parang na-excite siya lagi kasi she would give me some plants na maayos pa or minsan iba sila-sila na pero binibigay pa rin niya sa akin with the help of Tito Roland. So every time din pumupunta siya sa house sa Cavite, lalo pag sobrang daming mga halaman pa na nasa garden, siya mismo ang magbubunot at 99 years old with Nikki. That was one of their last bonding, yung paghihilang ng mga halaman. So I think that's the most recent memory with Lola, but there's really a lot. So, thank you Lola. Sana meron ding garden sa heaven for you to enjoy. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nikki. I'm the youngest naman ni Wendell Canlas. Nakakaiyak yung mga kwento, no? So, actually, for me, loving Lola was really a hard thing to do. Parang, hindi ko she actually caused a lot of pain in me.
I'll just get the umbrella, just in case it will rain later.
Can
you do me a favor? Can you hold this?
Ako yung bata
and aim it,
sa
just aim it to Nikki. No need to press anything. It's already recording. Just aim it to Nikki. Okay? You can sit here.
Isa lang may ilaw. Ang dami niyang tapos talaga sa amin. Tapos parang, hindi ko maintindihan ba't ganun. Lola parang,
you can hold it. So it's not
medyo OC siya sa house.
Appreciate.
I think, ayun nga, maraming lessons naman ako nakuha from Lola's life. Yun nga, parang, how important it is to be fair with family. How is it to love unconditionally, even though ayun nga. And also how important it is to spend more time with family. Kahit na may mga grievances nga sa family, parang I'm really still thankful na kasi si Lola talaga yung unifying factor. Siya ang original unifying factor ng Canlas family. Siya ang mag-bring together talaga ng families na ayun, na magtitipon kami because we wanted to see Lola and to spend time with her. And I'm really thankful na binigay niya, the wonderful titos and titas, wonderful cousins, na siya bigay ng life namin. And of course, thankful ako na inalagaan niya kami and pinatira kami sa bahay. Ang laking tulong talaga yan for us. Growing up sa Project 3. So, hindi kami magiging successful people that we are kung hindi kami pinatira sa Project 3 and inalagaan, pinakain, everything. So, I'm really truly grateful kay Lola. And I guess, nung mas matanda na ako, mas doon ko lang talaga siya naintindihan, parang bakit ganito siya. The way she talks, pero yun nga, nare-reveal din sa akin na parang those are just the ways that she loves us. Yun nga yung pinipilit na kami kumain lagi. So it's just the way she shows her love. Ayun, I'll truly miss Lola kasi it's also something that I look forward to, yung mga pagtitipon namin as family. So, ayun, I'm hoping na continue lang yung bond. And we will miss you, Lola, so much, and we love you. And
I'm eldest daughter. Sorry, English. Sorry if I hurt your ears. But Lola is our matriarch. Because of her, we're all here today, right? I'll keep it short. I remember Lola, she's always been this very classy lady. She always carried herself very well. Whenever I saw her, she was always, from her head to her toes, she knew how to dress, she knew how to carry herself, very, very classy, and that's what I remember about her. I know I have a few moments with her when she was with us in the States, and we shared a room at one point, and she loved her soap operas, and Days of Our Lives was one of her favorite shows, and I remember watching that with her. I can't believe she's gone, but I think it's amazing that she's given us 100 years, and 100 years is a very long life, and of all the people, she deserved those years. I must say, girl, you set the bar really high for us. But I guess to end it with this, Lola, I'll really miss you. I think about you every day, and I'll continue to think about you, and I'll see you up there in heaven one day. So thank you so much.
I am the youngest granddaughter of Lola Celine. I'm the youngest daughter of Albert. I will admit that I wasn't the closest to Lola Celine. There was a bit of a language barrier as well as a distance, but I am glad that out of the 100 years that she lived, I got to spend maybe not even 1% of that with her. And I'm just grateful to have that with her, even though we weren't the closest. And I just wish I got to know her more. She taught me how to play mahjong for the first time.
Mahjong.
And I'm just glad that I was able to be there to celebrate her 100th birthday with her. And yeah, we're just gonna miss her a lot. And thank you all for being here.
I am Blanche po, youngest daughter of Narman po. Yung naalala ko lang kasi yung last conversation ko with Lola was when she was in the hospital na. Tapos, nakakatawa kasi yung una niyang tanong sa akin, sabi niya, "Oh Blanche, kamusta na boyfriend mo?" Hindi pa nga nila kilala. Hindi pa na hard lunch ka. Natawa kay Lola.
Tawag na po si Lola.
Ayun. Na hard lunch na agad. Ayun, tapos, sana yung last conversation ko with Lola, sana nahabaan ko pa, sana naipag-chikahan pa ako sa kanya for a few more hours. Pero okay lang. I knew na Lola did fight naman. And I'm thankful for Lola sa mga lessons na binigay niya sa amin, sa lahat na binibigay niya sa amin, and sobrang happy lang siya pag tuwing nasa bahay kami nagsasalo-salo. Masaya na siya, nakikita niya kami na nagsasama-sama, na united and gathered. Ayun lang. Lola, thank you for everything. Dance with Lola up there in heaven. Thank you, Lola.
Naririnig ba?
Clear.
Live yan, live. Live.
Oo, naririnig. Clear naman.
Hi. Ako si Hannah, ang daughter ni Roland and Alice. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga nandyan. Hindi ako nakauwi, pero alam ni Lola na mahal ko siya. And one of the memories talaga na hindi ko makakalimutan is yung during the pandemic. Siguro maraming nagbagong buhay during the pandemic, pero para sa akin, isa siyang blessing kasi sobrang nakapag-spend time ako ng days and moments with Lola kasi nawalan ako ng work. So yun yung paraan siguro para magkaroon ako ng pagkakataon na alagaan si Lola. Si Lola sobrang mabait siyang, ang tawag ko sa kanya noon, siya lang yung patient ko. Parang naging ako sa kanya sa mga gamot niya, ganyan, and mabait siyang patient kasi sinusunod niya. At sobra din, since hindi nga siya makakalimutin,
talagang organized siya pagdating sa kanyang mga medications. Tapos kung meron man siyang bago, sinusunod niya naman lahat ng yun. Kaya very healthy talaga si Lola at umabot siya ng 100 years. Ano pa ba? Yun nga, tulad ng sinabi nila Ate Eunice, Ate Ivy, yung pagmamahal niya nasa actions. Nung pandemic din, doon ako natutulog sa room niya. And then, syempre, late ako gumising. Late ako gumising. Kasi Lola, maaga siyang gumigising. Tapos, pagkagising ko, nakatingin lang siya lagi sa bintana. Tapos, napansin ko na kapag tulog ako, hindi niya binubuksan yung TV. Para siguro makatulog pa ako ng mahaba. Pero, gusto na-realize ko na si Lola, hindi siya nanonood ng TV. Pero oras niya yun ng pag-nanood ng TV eh. Tapos parang doon ko na-realize na parang, yun nga, na parang she cares din. Pero yun, susubukan kong gumising na maaga para makanood siya ng mga favorite show niya. Yun lang naman. Tsaka kapag nag-video call kami, lagi niyang unang tanong, kamusta ka na dyan? Kailan ka ba uuwi? Laging ganon. Yun Lola, mamimiss kita Lola, and I love you Lola. Magiging masaya ka na in eternity. Yun lang, thank you po.
Ako po si Flor, pero people usually call me Taba. Kasi ako ang youngest daughter ng favorite sister ni Mang Siling. Si Mang Siling, feeling ko, ako yung go-to person niya. Na pag may problema siya, tatawag sa akin. Yung ganon. So, pag mula nung nawala yung PLDT, nakat yung aming usapan. But anyway, ganon pa rin siya. Ang fondest memory ko sa kanya is, nung maliit ako, kasi bunso ako, puro hand-me-downs ako, pero nakakaranos lang ako ng bagong damit dahil kay Lola Siling kasi mahilig manahi. So meron akong paboritong damit na hanggang ngayon naalala ko pa, it's a powder blue dress, satin, tapos may lace sa baba. Tuwan-tuwa ako every Sunday, sinusuot ko yon. Until one time, nakita ko, bakit kamukha nung damit ni Chawanin? Yung pala, ritaso lang nung damit ni Chawanin yung binigay sa akin. Pero, talagang she really makes something out of ritaso man yan, o ano, basta maganda niyang pinapagawa kasi magaling siyang manahi. Masiling, my message is say hello to Ma. Kiss her for me. I love you too.
Bilas ko si Titi Nong.
Birdie.
Actually, palagi naman kami magkasama ni Mami Celine pagka may mga occasion, ang mga kanlas. At kung meron ng pagkakataon na makakapunta siya sa amin pag may mga birthdays or mga ano sa bahay. Meron akong prepare pero ayoko na lang baka mahaba eh. Yung Celine, C4, ganyan, E4. C for caring. Yun yung nadidinig ko kanina sa lahat ng mga apo, mga anak, na masyadong caring. Yung ang pagkain kagad ang inaalala niya, no? Aside from that. E for binago ko to, enduring to. Kasi 100 years ba naman, iaabot pa ba sa atin dito na 100 years, no? Endures all the hardship. Siguro dumaan kasi siya dun sa World War II ba yun? Japanese time. L, selling yan, L for lovable. Wow. So nice. So nice, Wonder Woman, and easy to love. I, incredible. Survives 100 years in his time. It's so hard to live what she have lived. And ito medyo na ano ako dito sa N na to. No. Sabi dito, in American English it pronounced natural. Natural. Natural.
Natural.
Ano ibig sabihin nun? Hindi ko alam. She's different.
Uncle.
She's different. Tama po. Natural.
Blanche. Blanche.
And
Blanche.
G for gorgeous. Gorgeous. Sabi nga kanina, nung sino yung si mama, from head to foot, di ba? Talaga namang parang
gorgeous.
Disente. So we love you, Tita Mama Celine, Mami Cecilia. Natural. Okay, bye-bye. Sabi nga kanina, see you, but not too soon. Bye-bye po. We love you.
Tinatawagan na rin po ang mga apo ni Mami Celine para po sa final viewing, grandchildren and great-grandchildren.
Pa. Mami, pila na kayo.
Ngayon tinatawagan na rin po ang mga anak at mga manugang ni Mami Celine para po sa final viewing.
Apat po. Tapos yung isa nasa States. Hindi nakauwi. Isasara ang casket. So hinihiling po sa members ng immediate family na sila po ang magsara ng casket. Yung mga anak po ni Mami. Then ito pong malatusan. Hawakan niyo po. At ngayon po, Lola, rest in paradise.
Please watch us all the time.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty. Oh, weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escape one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, all this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
If tears could build a stairway and memories a lane, we'd walk right up to heaven and bring you back again. It broke our hearts to lose you, but you did not go alone. For part of us went with you the day God called you home. God looked around his garden and he found an empty place. Then he looked down upon the earth and he saw your precious face. He put his arms around you and he lifted you to rest. God's garden must be beautiful. He always takes the best. Yes, he always takes the best. We knew that you were suffering. We knew you were in pain. We knew you'd never get well on this earth again. So he closed your weary eyes and he whispered, peace be thine. Then he took you up to heaven, so gentle and so kind. God looked around.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. You can find love if you search within yourself, and the emptiness you felt will disappear. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. Lord knows dreams are hard to follow, but don't let anyone tear them away. Hold on, there will be tomorrow. In time, you'll find the way. And a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you, that a hero lies in that a hero lies in you. It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. my wings. Oh, the wind beneath my wings. You are the wind beneath my wings. Fly, fly away. You let me fly so high. You, the wind beneath my wings. Oh, the wind beneath my wings. So high I almost touch the sky. Thank you, thank God for you, the wind beneath my wings.
Hello. Happy birthday, Lola.
Video mo.
Ano to? Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola.
Smile muna, Lola. Smile. 1, 2.
We love you, Lola.
Okay, blow, blow.
Maganda yung kilay niya, parang kasyante. Kasi yung kilay ko may shape. Iway na siya, alam mo. Malugas lang. Pero kung yung bata mo,
Magandang kilay. Siya daw pinakamagandang kilay.
yes.
Sa kanila.
Sa mga kakapatid ay sila ako. Hindi pa nila kalaki. Sa buong. Masabi namin.
Naalala pa ninyo ako. Eto, 95 na ako. Nandun ako sa condo nila, Eunice. Din ako dinala.
Okay.
O kaya 258. Tatlong waiting mo. Ngayon kung ito, ganyan, kung ano, palagay mo, waiting mo, paningit ito. You know, bakit kompleto na kompleto? 2-5, ang waiting ko nung tatlo, 258.
Tapos daddy, wait lang.
Isa 258, Kung kasi 2, kunyari 2 ito, magiging 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kaya 258. 10, 11. And pa yung pag 11, taas mo. Taas mo yan, Tapos, kalimutan ko niya ata. Nene, basta si Tito.
Hi, Lols. Hello. Happy New Year, Lols.
Happy New Year. Happy birthday pala.
Si Lola. 14.
Oo, tapos kasi ang lolo nun, lolo piano, palagi ako malungkot. Sila, Lolo Costrin, palaging iniimbita sa party, sayawan, gano'n. Sabi na, Lolo, isama niyo si Angat Chinyo, palaging malungkot, sabi gano'n. Sinama naman ako. Saka, yung panang si Apon Dongin, nakikita na ako nung pinunta si Christine nagtitinda. Kinaimbita ako. Yun, na ka Valentine, nagsayaw kami dalawa. Anak ko na si
Kilig naman kayo, Lola.
Oo, nakanak na ako nung anak ko na si Didit. Tapos sinatid kami. Naka-jeep kami doon eh. Matad kami sa bahay. Pagtapos yun, palaging naimbita na ako na sinasama na ako sa party.
Sama naman kayo ng sama.
O sumasama naman ako.
Kinikilig naman kayo, Lola.
Bata lang ako eh. 19 ako nag-asawa. 20 ako nakunak eh. Kaya matanda akong 10 years kay Didit eh. Ano lang ako. 19 ako nag-asawa, 20 ako nakunak. Napala ako dyan. Si Domi punta sa nakalimutan na yon.
Kasi nag-break na.
Ano na daw. Hindi na pupunta.
Ikaw talagang gusto niya.
Oo, ako talagang gusto niya. Bumalik sa akin.
Haba ng hair.
Istorya kami. Hindi na daw. Maski mayaman niya, naliit-liit eh. Nung nag-Japanese time, di pinatinda kami ni Lolo sa palengke. Meron kami papag na gano'n, meron kami tindahan. Mahilig kasi si Lolo pinatitinda kami eh. Costring at saka ako. Sila, dahil may lumber sila sa paano, yung kanilang pinagawa, maganda, sari-sari store din. Japanese time yun.
Hindi sila maniwala.
Oo, wala sila maniwala. Pamangkin ko, sabi, siyempre, para kang bata ka pa. May base ka, parang, ayun, si Lolo nga, pag sa crack, pag tanghali, dadating yan, maski konting oras na, pupuntahan ako sa...
Ay, Lola!
Pupuntahan ako sa tindahan.
Love na love ka talaga ni
pupuntahan
Lolo.
ako. Tapos, pag na, babalik naman sa Clark, malayo rin Clark. Ang ganda sa amin, di ba? Layo eh. Pupuntahan ako niyan, paggabi, siyempre, trabaho niya hanggang 5. Pag-uwi niya, maliligo lang siguro, pupunta na yung sabi ko, nagustuhan ko na rin. Sabi ko, isa lang anak ko. Kung dalawa ka akong anak ko, hindi na ako siguro mag-aasawa. Kasi isa lang anak ko eh, kung lumabas na salbahe, o nawala kasi, hindi, wala ka na anak, wala ka na kasama sa buhay mo. Yun, kaya kung nag-asawa ko ulit. Hindi sana lumitaw sila normal.
Wish, Lola, wish. Anong wish nyo?
Happy birthday!
Okay, sige. Blow. Blow. First slice.
Sino gusto?
Anong masasabi nyo?
Masarap.
Sana'y marami pang birthday ang pag-ibig mo. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Ma'am Cecilia, make a wish and blow the candle.
95. Tingin. Okay. Ikot pedal mo lang. Yan. Oh.
Interview daw po. Kailangan po isang
Opo lang. Yeah.
Guwapo.
Guwapo.
Guwapo yan.
Sa'yo to ah.
Oh, Happy Mother's Day. Good, thank you. Batlik, sana sumama ka din sama-sama tayo.
Luluto,
Anong ginagawa mo? Nagluluto ka pa ba niyan?
Patapos yung luto niya.
Ah?
Luluto pa yung patatim.
Sarap sa... busog na busog kami ito.
Video, ha?
Happy birthday to you. Go.
Isa pa. Ay, tatlo pala yan. Tatlong cake. Ayan, may isa pa. May isa pang cake. Ayan.
Happy birthday to you.
You can blow, but you cannot eat.
Wow.
She's 99 years old.
Yay!
Again.
Ay, na-blow na. Na-blow na.
One more time, baby.
O, isa pa.
Once more time.
Take 2, Lola.
One more time.
Practice lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more year to go.
Bye-bye, tita.
Bye.
Kita ng anak nito. Parang cake. Tapos, pag kumakain kayo, iprakraso ka na lang. Tayo ito, isang na isa. Ay, hawak niya.
Cute. Postura.
Si Mang Iling. Tapos kayo, si Ling.
Si Kostring.
Postring. Krising. Pabling.
Si Dekdek.
Tapos
si Nati, yung namatay na binata.
Nati.
Pagkatapos si Renaldo, yung mga
Renaldo.
Tapos
8.
si Renaldo, si Melanio, magkasunod yun eh.
Melanio. 9.
Tapos
Susunod.
Maluning.
Mang Luning. 10.
Oo.
Tapos 3 pa.
Si Jesus.
Sang Jesus. 11.
Tapos si
Pang 12.
Estrellita, si Tita.
Si Mang Tita. Pang 12. Si Mang Baby. Ayun. 13.
15 kami, namatay
15.
Oo, namatay ng bagong panganak. Hindi siyempre inaano.
Opo. So, ang nabuhay, 13.
Minsan, inaano ko sila eh.
1, 2, 3.
Kaya pala, Lola kulay green na green yung mga halaman.
Ito kasi nabibigyan. Ang dami naman tubig sa dyan.
Okay, let's go.
Si Lola at Tito Roland.
Sa third floor.
Hello! Hi!
White meat lang. Kumakain? Ano? Tulog ko. Ang galing.
Maski na maalat eh.
Oh. Wala ka kayo sakit, ha? Diabetes. Ako rin. Ano na rin sa borderline, pero matapong kasi ako. Thank you. Happy birthday po. God bless. Thank you. Ayan, sige po. Ma'am, sali kayo, ma'am.
Wow! Congratulations!
Picture na lang po, ma'am.
Yeah.